Okay, take it easy. Stay in the eddy, please, until I want to see you getting used to the boat. Because it's quite fast current even here, okay? It's not like before. It takes a minute to get used to those boats, although you're in a particularly stable one. Maybe you can help this guy. Could you hold his spray deck at the back for him? If he puts it on the back first and then... So this guy's Finley, and sorry I don't know your name, but Finley's just in the hand at the back. Whoa, don't hit anyone with that.
Aaron, no, not well.
Finley, just a little bit to get used to it first. So stay in the eddy just to get used to it first, okay? Fiona, are you happy doing your own thing, yeah? Yeah, so you know your limits and everything, so obviously if need be I'll come to the rescue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, alright, no problem. Alright, Isabel, that's looking better today. Okay, Ewan, just take everything slowly today. It's your first time in the river, isn't it? First time in the river. So, it's okay, just relax. So, remember in the pool you could rock the boat a lot and it wouldn't be a problem. So you can really let it go. So if the most important thing is, we're not in the current now, but if we were, right, you want to lift this leg up to let the current go under your boat. If the water gets here, it's going to push here and you'll fall that way, okay? So you want to lean sideways. If the current's coming this way, you want to lean away from the current towards the downstream. And that's always true. No matter if even in your little current or the big current, that's always going to be true. Okay? So because you're not used to it, we can go across together. I'm going to stay on the downstream side and I want you to lean over my boat. So there's somebody a little more experienced, that's fine. Finley, don't go too hard. Get used to it first. That's good. So there's lots of people with different abilities. You just remember your first time in the river, so this isn't their first time, okay? So don't worry about it. So I'll just wait a second to make sure everyone's okay, and then I'll come with you across. So for now, just paddle up and down in this calm water. Don't go out into the ripples. If you do, just remember that thing about lifting the upstream edge. Okay? That's good. Paddle forward. Remember to stay above the bridge. Happy enough, Isabel? You're looking better today than you were last week. Okay, Ewan, if you wish to come across, let's go down closer to the bridge, and then I'll stay below downstream of you, and I want you to kind of lean your boat towards mine, but I want you to get the feeling of the boat water going under your boat. Okay. Keep going. Okay, sorry, I'm in your way. Right. Okay, just relax. You're keeping the edge up, that's good. So let's paddle back in. So that was you feeling the current. So paddle forward now and go back in and paddle across. Paddle over here, there'll be less current. Paddle forward. Paddle forward, that's good. Come right over here, there'll be less current. Okay, I have to rescue someone. So you go into the side there, please, okay? Into the side, stay at the side. Sarah, can you watch him, please? Okay, Eden. You can hold the back of my boat if you wish. There's a tree in front of you there. Just hold the back of the boat. Kick your feet, lie flat in the water, okay? Okay. You alright now?
Yeah.
Right, if you get yourself out of the water as quick as you can and run up and down the bank to get warm.
Right up that way.
Yeah. Well, help get the boat. Go. go down and get your boat. Aidan, go down and help rescue the boat, okay? So go up on the path. Aidan, go up on the path and then walk down level with the boat. Stronger on your right to paddle over here. That's it, keep coming, good. Anna, do you want to try pointing into the current and just holding it?
Yeah.
I'll demonstrate what I mean. So what you're aiming for is equal current on both sides. And we'll do it down here where it's not too strong. And if it turns, you must raise your upstream edge. So first thing is everything really slowly. So you're pointing up into the current, and then we'll just gently stay here, and we're going to put the nose slightly over. But you see, I don't have to do anything very quick, and then I'm going to point into the current. And it's just a matter of staying calm, and then small paddles, and you just stay here. So as far as you want to go, just until you feel comfortable. Okay. So you're aiming to have equal force on both sides. Don't go too far up, the current will be stronger the further up you go. So you're keeping it into the current nicely, but only paddle strong enough to keep the boat pointing right, because the further up you go, the stronger it's going to get. Yeah, yeah. If you watch, I mean, okay, I'm more experienced, but I don't have to do very much, just gentle. And you go for control rather than power. So just slowly, keep it slow, that's fine. You're feeling it now, that's good. Gently, don't go too hard. Okay, you're definitely in the current, there's a wake behind your boat. So, yeah, that's good progress.
You're getting taken away.
You're not, you're pushing up into the current. Are you liking the boat, Max? Yeah. So it's a bit big for you, but it is quite stable, and it's a bit forgiving because it's got rounder edges. Good, Max. This is very good practice for you because the water's quite unstable, but you're staying calm, which is good. So let's see what you do. You do whatever you want, and I'm going to stay beside you just to keep things safe, okay? So you do whatever you want to do. That's it. So everything slowly and gently, you'll be fine. Okay, and just turn back in before you go onto the bridge. Good girl. So, just build up the confidence. Just, you know, sit here, push out a little bit more if you want. Say nothing happens too quickly unless you put in a strong stroke. So as long as you control it, yep. So that's all very good, and just go more into the current as you feel ready.
Trying to get a gauge of like what I'm moving and all.
You're moving forward, yep.
I think we're getting the trees trying to see if they're.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, if you look at my bar, the boat's staying still, but there's a wake, so it looks like I'm moving forward, but it's just the water's moving past my boat. So we're saying, oh, he's doing good. That's Ewan. He's getting a bit braver. That was good, Ewan. Just keep paddling forward to that. That was very good. Once he gets used to that boat, there'll be no stopping him. It's a nice boat, but it's like perfect for him. Going okay, Andy? Yeah. This week, guys, come on. He was here last week and he was quite a lot better than last year, and then today he's really come on. Yeah. And his sister was real good last year, but she's a bit shyer this year. But yeah, I think if it gets a bit warmer, she'll be better. So side to side, but also front to back matters in this boat. So at the moment, the trim, yeah, you're a bit low at the back, so that means you probably want to move the whole seat forward. Looking side on, I can see the front is up and the back is a bit down, so the seat's probably adjustable. Just take it slightly further forward, but as you're well done. Try and keep the boat flat, even when you're in smooth water. You only need to do the edging when you're in the current. So that's good. Don't worry too much about other boats. If they bang, it doesn't matter. Right, Isabel, why don't you follow this girl? This is Anna. Just follow her. You're able to do that, I think. See what she's doing? She's going around in a circle, and I'll stay beside you as well. So if you follow her, and remember to lift the upstream leg, and everything gently, look where you want to go, and it'll all work. Very good. And then paddle back into the easy bit. Very good. So if you want to go further up, you could, because you're doing everything right, okay? But you you're learning. Yeah. You should get with Dave Woods, he'll show you what to do. That's it. I'll take you up, okay? Anna, I'm going to go up with this guy to do the rapids, but Sue and Sarah are here and Trevor's here, so you're fine. Just you're looking totally stable anyway, so there's no problem. Yeah. Okay as well. Yeah. So we'll current. It is a strong current today. Right. Come up and get under here so you can do your echo. Do the echo. Echo! How many was that? Right, you keep yourself. And then I'm going to hold the boat as you get in. Yeah, I'll help you do that. So if you give me the boat, I'll get it over here, and then I'm going to help you out. Right. Okay, so if you just jump in like that and pull the spray deck up off your bum, okay? And then I'm holding the boat, so you're safe. Just get in. Pull it up again. Right. Wait till I get it on the back. Okay, it's on the back and sides. I've got the boat. So roll it over the front. Okay. Right, hold your paddle normally now. And I'm going to get you up and away from these rocks, okay? So that's the most important thing. So I need to get you out past those rocks. And then Jan's coming down, so when he comes I'll give you a push too. So keep away from the trees on the far side. Okay, here comes Jan. So we're going to go wide. Wait up there, you're still in front of the rocks, so let me get there a bit more. Okay, right Jan, away you go. I'll come just behind you, okay? Where you go.